I'm a service technician. So I've been with the motor company since 2006. My older brother had a 73 shovel head, and he used to take us up and down the road on it when I was a kid. When I was 16, I got my first Harley. It was a 72 Ironhead Sportster. And it was running, it was a rigid Springer front end. And I worked on that thing for 4 or 5 years, on and off, on and off. I pushed it more than I rode it. And, you know, I had it, that was my first Harley ever. I bought it off my aunt's brother. And in 06, when I had my business, I had a shop in 06. I wound up selling it. And out of all the Harleys I've had and I've built, and all the ones I've got now, it's the only one I still look for in mine. I go home, spend time with my boy, and then I go right at my shop. It's in my blood, it's what I do. I see them I mean, every year the technology's growing, and every year we're getting more and more advanced, so the school's getting more and more advanced, you know. It's like evolution, nothing ever stays the same.
Yeah.
It's gonna advance as we go.
Yeah.
So I could see them having, you know, a full line of electric bikes someday. You know, I mean, the old dinosaurs are, you know, they're getting harder and harder to find, and not a lot of people want to ride them because they are older bikes. I'm a pretty private person. You know, I keep to myself. I keep my circle small, but I give everybody the benefit of the doubt. You know, I mean, I get along with anybody, but you know, like I said, I'm just really cautious.
Yeah, I hear you.
I guess.
Yeah.